Hello guys. Today we are going to talk about finding, solving the right triangle. So for this problem here, we are given two variables, right? So as you can see, we are given, the side B, which is the 51.851, and we are given the angle B, which is the 35.0899 degrees. So those are the two things that we know. Now they're telling us to solve for the triangle, which means that we need to find the angle C. No, we need to find the side C, because the angle C, we should automatically know that it's 90 degrees because it's a right triangle there. And we need to know the side A and then the angle A. So three things, right? So side C, side A, and then angle A. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So looking at here, the first thing I think I will be able to solve will be the side A, right? So if I want to solve for side A, I need to look at the given and then try to think of the relationship that combine those three elements together. What do I mean by that? I see that I have an angle and I have the side here, and I'm trying to solve for this side, and automatically I can use the tangent, right? Because the tangent, what will happen will be the tangent of 35.0899 will be the opposite side, which is 51.851, divided by the adjacent. You see, so that one, this relationship is linking the angle and the opposite side and the adjacent side, and from here I'm found with only one unknown, and then that means I can solve for the side A, right? So 35.0899, and then this one right here, it's just about like plugging into the calculator and finding your answer, right? It shouldn't be too hard, and that should give you 73.8, and then I can just put all the decimals. Alright, so this is the first thing that we find, that's the A. And the second thing, okay, the A, now this is your B, and then now I'm like, okay, so let me find this angle right here using the tangent again, right? So because with the tangent of this angle, then I have this one and I have this one, right? The opposite and the tangent, the adjacent. So that will be tangents of A will be opposite side, which is the A, divided by the adjacent, which will be the B. So that means it's going to be tangent A. A is 73.8042, and then we divide that by B, which is 51.851, right? So from here to find the angle A, we just do the inverse tangents, and the rest here is just about plugging in the calculator, making sure that you are plugging in the correct value, because if you don't, then you kind of get some weird answers. So here, if you plug right, you should be getting this angle right here, you see. So now we know the side A, we know the angle A. Now the thing that we have left to do is to calculate the side C, right? And the side C, I can think, I'm like, okay, so I know side A, I know side B, I only need to find side C. And thinking about the relationship between the sides, I think of the hypotenuse, right? The C square equals to A square plus B square, right? I think this is a very, very common relationship. Do the square roots, we get this. This means that A is 73.8042 square plus the B, which was already given, and then from here everything should just be about plugging in, and we should be getting the answer of 90.1975, and that is in centimeters. And here we solve for our triangle.